Alright, so today is the day. They were coming to install my garage door today, so luckily we got a few things done before that happened. We've got my trench dug for electrical. Pretty easy, a lot of clay around here, but we did hit one decent sized rock under there. Nothing too crazy though, luckily. And then I did make sure to get the back section down here finished up, because once the building's up, this is going to be difficult to get to. But this will make it easy. So yeah, they should be here anytime now, and hopefully in day and a half we will have a garage. All right, well, the shop is officially done. Inspector came in today and gave the thumbs up on the building, and we are good to go to start. Moving some stuff in here. So you can see a lot of empty space. The whole idea is that this will be kind of my mechanic area for working on my car in this bay. And then everywhere from the center line over is going to be fabrication, storage, and stuff like that. So we've got a pallet rack planned for over there. A couple things the inspector did say is that because this is such a tall wall, it wasn't required in the prints. They got signed off, but what he recommends, because you can see there is a little bit of shake here, is that I need to frame in the corners here. So horizontal halfway across, then diagonals going up in all four corners. And that'll help stiffen it up. So that was just a recommendation. He said if it was his place, he would do that. So that is what I'm gonna be doing here, but I guess stay tuned. We got some big things coming. We'll be framing in, getting some more insulation, moving everything out here, and we'll bring you along for the ride as we do it. So as always, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.